It's not shiny and red. That's a problem. My wife is gonna kill me. I gotta fix this real quick, otherwise I'm gonna be sleeping in the doghouse. Okay, you guys, it worked. She came home, took a look at it. She didn't say that she hated it. I think we're okay. Perfect. Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm gonna continue on the boat project. My other tricks didn't work. I got this clear spray. It is the Duplicolor metal cast anodized coating, and it's just basically a clear spray paint. So that said, I'm gonna mask it up and we're gonna get to it. So I went ahead and removed the wood piece that goes here, the little step up. And that shows you what the original paint is supposed to look like. It's nice and shiny and very red. And if we get down in here, it's not shiny and red. That's a problem. We don't like that. So we're gonna see if we can try to make it match a little bit. So I've got my little tub of Dawn dish soap, scrubby pad, and we're gonna get the area prepped for painting. Look at all that silver flake. There shouldn't be any silver flake in this. It should all be solid. Alright, so I got it all taped up. Just a small area. I'm not going to go crazy on this. Just kind of a very small test run. And I went ahead and taped up the nice shiny part because I want to see how it compares to what it's supposed to look like. So let's give it a shot. So, yeah, guys, we have a winner. That's perfect. Don't get too close to that. Now it's not smooth yet, but that's okay because we're going to actually be polishing after that. But what I wanted was to get that red on there instead of that silver. And that's exactly what it did. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah. Michelle's going to love this. That's exactly what we want that to look like. Alright, I actually did a lot more than I had anticipated on doing, but what can I say? I'm excited. Oh, that's perfect. So guys, if you have an old boat that has some metal flake issues, definitely give this Duplicolor metal cast anodized coating a try because it will bring that paint back to life. I'm thoroughly happy with that. And this does come in a lot of different colors, so I end up getting this at Napa, so you should be able to find it pretty easy. Alright guys, tape's off. So it is a little bit darker red, or more vibrant red, I don't know. Overall, it's close enough, and this whole top is probably going to get painted with this, so it's not going to really matter. But yeah, overall, turned out really good. It's going to do it for this one. We're going to wrap it up. If you like this kind of content, please give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll be sure to make more boat restoration videos as well as my car videos. So with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.